Hello, welcome to this tutorial video. This will show you how to deploy QTScloud on QNAP Virtualization Station with the image on Marketplace. Go to QNAP Virtualization Station Marketplace and select QTScloud. Select the VM spec. QTScloud requires at least 2 GB of memory. Go to the VM settings and expand the HDD size. QTScloud requires at least 48 GB of storage, but we recommend 200 GB of storage. After the VM started up, you can access QTScloud by using the IP address displayed on the VM page. Click the Start Smart Installation button to initialize QTScloud. You can find the tutorial in the description. Please subscribe to our channel to get more information about QNAP products. Thank you for watching.